Welcome to the Honor family.
Don't forget to subscribe.
What's up, YouTube? Y'all probably wondering what I'm doing. I'm making myself my own homemade weight. That's if it works. If
Like
it
a weight
fails,
bench.
Yeah, weight bench. But if it fails, it fails.
So what are you using? You're just using like
These bricks.
a few simple bricks. We just found these, and then he found this yesterday. This big old long stick. This is actually pretty cool. Look how it looks though. It's I'm sorry. It's actually looks really cool. Like got a couple designs in it, y'all. Zay's really crafty and like when it comes to stuff, but we're gonna see if. Ooh. You think it's gonna work?
I think it's gonna
Cause that string, I feel like this is like real flimsy.
I think it's gonna work.
Oh, you need one more. If you're doing two on each side, don't you need one more?
Hey, we only picked up like 3.
Yep.
Damn.
Okay, yeah. So while Zay's doing that, I'm gonna go get him another brick real quick. Alright, I'm gonna go get him one. I don't think it's too far. I hope it's not all the way down here because if it is, Zay's gotta come with me. But we're gonna see. I don't remember where I got this from, but anyway, so yeah. I'm going to go get Zay a brick because he didn't know how many he needed and he only picked up 3. But hopefully there's some more down here. I'm not exactly sure because I didn't really pay attention earlier when we came down here. But yeah, so I'm gonna be quiet too because it's a big old dog and I don't want to make this dog come barking at me, chasing after me or nothing. So yeah, but anyways, we will get back to you when I'm back with Zay, you guys. I'm gonna go get this brick and yeah. Oh yeah, there's more y'all guys right there. All right, see you guys in a minute.
What's up, YouTube? So making my own homemade weight set. So what I'm gonna use it for, like, just to do this, something like this. But I need to probably add more
Weights to it.
Yeah, like bricks. But it's still like heavy.
It look heavy. And y'all, he only used 3 supplies to make this.
Yeah.
Bricks, some type of string, which we used 2 strings because that's all we had, and a big old strong stick. You like it?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can pick it up.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Do some squats with it. You can't.
That's her. Whoa. That's so cool though. I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah, but I'm gonna have to put some more bricks on now.
Pour like one
So it can,
inside.
like right here, one right here, and then pour one right here. So
Yeah.
make it more heavier.
It's heavy, but like
It is heavy, but just add 3 more pounds on it.
you'll get tired
Yeah.
after like 5 squats. Like I'm at 4 now. Yeah. But anyways, y'all, so I hope y'all like how Zay did his little weight set thing. Creative, right y'all?
Yeah.
I never thought about this.
And you was asking me for a very while what I was gonna do with it. That's what I was doing with it.
I know, I kept asking like, babe, what are you doing with a stick? What are you doing with a stick? He's like, He was keeping a secret from me, y'all. He wasn't trying to tell me. But now I know. Ha!
Oh. This one is beautiful, baby. It's crazy what nature do afterwards it rains. I see, baby. Here you go.
Here.
Thank you.
Here.
My look at Nana fall.
Oh, that is so pretty.
Ma, I'm on camera.
Hi, you guys.
Ain't this crazy what nature do out there it rain?
Yes.
Oh my, let me see that.
Daddy,
Oh my God. Thank
Where do you
you.
want to take mommy? Come, take me and show me what you want to do.
Look at these nature things. These nature leaves. Oh my God.
Oh, look.
Look at this one.
Huh, show daddy what. Show daddy.
Oh my God, man. That's a leaf.
Huh, I ain't seen you.
Let's go over here, y'all.
Go put it on your table
Y'all
so
see
you don't lose them,
different
okay?
type of leaves after it rains.
Oh, this is perfect.
This is cool. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? That look dope. It do. But what's up, y'all? How y'all doing today? Hope y'all having an amazing day today on this crazy leaf day. What can I show y'all? Hold on, I see this right here. It's big. Right there. It's crazy, right? But look at this puddle, y'all. Dirty puddle, muddy puddle. Well, Tatas, what you doing? Huh? Crazy leaf day, right? Huh? Yeah. Where you taking me? Huh? Oh my goodness. Where you taking me? Oh, look at these, y'all. This branch man baby was talking about cleaning up the community. We're gonna clean up the community with that. Tatas, where you taking me? Be careful, Tata. Anna. Uh-oh. Quieta. Hey, Tata. Huh? I see. Look at that.
Get it.
No, don't get it. Just keep it, okay? Nature beautiful, ain't it? What y'all want to do? Don't dirty your clothes up, okay? Tatas. Tatas. What you do? Welcome. How you guys doing on this beautiful, beautiful day? No matter what the circumstances is, you are a great human being at the end of the day. Don't let nobody stop you from completing your goal. Nah, you beautiful. You beautiful. Come on. Back this way. So,
Be on a family. Thank you for the watching.
Lord, would you pick me to shine? I had the key to the golden gate to shine. I wouldn't dare you to cross that line.